guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium for December. I'm so excited about this one because I have no idea what is in this box. There have been so many spoilers and choices and different boxes that I really don't know what I'm getting. And I think I missed choice for this box as well. So I don't think I even picked out whatever the choice was. So I'm going to get into that. My giveaway is going to be ending soon, so just be sure you get entered into that before it ends. The link is going to be, for the video is going to be up here, and then the link to get entered will be down below. So let's hop in because I'm so excited. I know we're getting some eyeshadow palette, and I don't know what it is, so I left my eyes blank. Okay, so this is the premium one. Premium is like a different subscription from Boxycharm. So I get Boxycharm and BoxyLuxe every 3 months in substitution of the base box. And then I also am currently getting the premium box, which is $35 a month. And it's just always $35 a month. There's no like variation like the base box has with Luxe. But I think this is probably going to be my last box just because that's a lot of money. So this is the same theme as the Luxe one that I opened. It is Whimsy. I'm not going to look at the bottom. I really want to know. So sad. Well, I had seen some sneak peeks that possibly a Natasha Denona palette could be going in the Boxycharm Premium. I haven't seen any unboxings yet with Premium, so I don't know if people are getting that. But I got the Hidden Treasure palette from Dose of Colors, so one of you will be getting this because this is going to go in a giveaway. I already own this palette. And I don't reach for it super often because it's pretty neutral. Here's what it looks like. But this one's going to be going in a giveaway. So maybe what's coming up? My 1 year or my 2 year. Oh my gosh, 2 years. My 2-year giveaway is going to be coming up in January. So keep an eye out for that one. Then I got, all right, this is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer from Glow Recipe. I'm excited to try this because have I tried anything from Glow Recipe before? I don't think I have. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. That is the Watermelon Glow Moisturizer. So I'm probably going to start using this today. So I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, it's kind of like a gel moisturizer. It's a really light weight. It does smell like watermelon, and this is 2 ounces, and this has a value of, this has a dollar of $39. The Dose of Color Hidden Treasure palette has a value of $50. That's an expensive palette. I don't really know if I'm going to do my eyeshadow today since I already started opening the box. Right? Then I got, oh my gosh, let's see, another Ciate. So I got the Ciate London blush in my Boxycharm Luxe box. This is the, oh my gosh, I did see a spoiler for that. That is so pretty. Definitely, I'm keeping this. Kind of reminds me of the, is it Maybelline? L'Oreal. The Molten Gold one. That's Maybelline. Yeah, that's a Maybelline one. So I now have this one. I feel like this month is like really pretty items. Like I could just put that Watermelon Glow Recipe thing up on my desk here to display to make my background look pretty. And then what is this? Advant. Another moisturizer? That's kind of a bummer. Supreme Hyaluronic Acid Antioxidizing Duo Moisturizer. It's a very small little size. It's 1.69 ounces, and this is it, excuse me, $134 value. I don't know about this. It says you can use it. Okay, I'm confused. So this says that it's a moisturizer. I don't have anything on my lips though because I thought we might get a lipstick, so why don't we just put something on my lips at least. That's such a bummer. I was so holding out hope that that palette was going to be the, what did I say? Natasha Denona one. This is Aquarius from ColourPop. if you're wondering. I just needed a little something. I did use the Ciate London blush that I got yesterday, And I also today used the, is it AGK? AK, that dry shampoo, detoxifying charcoal dry shampoo that I got in my Boxy Luxe. First of all, I love it. It makes your hair super white when you use it, though. I was not anticipating that, but I really do like, I mean, I feel like it's a cleaner feel without being like built up like some dry shampoos do. So anyways, here we are with this $134 face and eye night cream. Definitely going to be using that. It says Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Verifying Face and Night Eye Cream is a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye area. So it's supposed to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and weakened skin surface. That's the most insane price I've ever heard for that. I mean, with all these expensive products, like, what is that, KMS? I've got that expensive eye cream. I've got the expensive lip line, whatever serum. And now this. So my face should be looking like a 20-year-old soon. Okay, then we also got, I don't know if I said, this one is a $32 value. And then this one is the Bite Beauty Nighttime Lip Therapy. Ooh, I really wanted this one as well. I guess I did see this. This might have been the choice that I missed. And I was hoping to get this. So this is just a lip mask. It is 0.5 ounces. Oh, it does have kind of a citrusy scent to it. I am so excited to use that, and I'm so glad I got it. I'm running out of my two that I currently have, so this one I will definitely be using. That's probably my favorite item in the box. So that's a $22 value. And then the last item I got, Kat Von D Cake Pencil. This is weird because I got a Kat Von D eyeliner in, where is it? I haven't taken it out of the box yet because I have a lot of open ones. The Dagger tattoo liner I got in my Luxe box yesterday. If this is a, okay, this is a gel liner, so this is also going to go in a giveaway. I do not need another black gel liner in my life, to be honest. Definitely not by the time this one would expire. So this is going to go in a giveaway as well. It is in Trooper Black. It's a $19 value. So let me see what the total value of this Boxycharm box is, and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is not editing Mel, but next day Mel. And I was like, of course I'm gonna film something with this palette. I own it. Because I guess when I was doing my unboxing, I was thinking like it's going in a giveaway, so I can't do a look with it. But I'm like, it's going in a giveaway because I own it. So obviously I'm going to do a look with it. So here I am. This is my non-filming day. So threw my hair up. I have got the e.l.f. matte lip color on my lip in, what is this, Tea Rose. I just really like it, so I wanted to tell you guys what it was because I think it's just a really pretty shade. I do have a party tonight, so I do need to do my eye makeup anyways. So I'm probably going to do a more neutral look, but obviously because that's what the palette looks like. So I'm just going to start with MAP right here, which is the Cool Tone Taupey shade in this palette. And that's going to go in the crease and transition area. I don't really feel like it has a mid-tone shade. Maybe we'll put that more warm tone brown shade in the crease just to give a little dimension to it. So I'm going to take Locket here, and I'm not sure how much depth we're going to get in the crease, but let's just give it a try. I do love that MAP shade that I had on in the transition area, and this is just a Coastal Scents brush. One I used before was a Morphe 433. I use that one a lot for my transition area. This is the SO8. I think that did give a little bit of extra depth to that look. Yeah, I just really love this lip color. Isn't it so pretty? It's like a perfect purpley nude shade. All right, now I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. This is a E42 Precision Firm Blender from Sigma. I've been loving that Ultimate Blending Brush set from Sigma. if I were to recommend like one brush set, if you want to up your eye makeup game a little bit, I would definitely recommend that one to you. Because I think a lot, I'm just going to kind of pat this on the outer V and then we'll blend it in. I think a lot of the other brushes you can really dupe with some more affordable ones, like the Morphe ones, or there's some e.l.f. ones out there, some Real Techniques ones, but these like really detailed brushes with this quality, I haven't really found dupes for. So this is the brush set I would recommend. It comes with 6 smaller brushes, and I think it's around like $65, but lots of sales going on this time of the year, so just check out for those. I don't recommend getting it full price because it's me and I don't buy anything full price. Okay, then I'm just going to take that brush that I used for the crease shade and just kind of blend that out. So it's just a bigger, fluffier brush. So today we're doing like a really neutral look. All right, for my lower lash line, I'm going to take Map, which is the very first shade we use, the more cool tone taupey shade. And I'm just going to blend that across the lower lash line. So the only other matte shade in here is black, and I really don't think I'm going to add any black to it. We'll see after I get the shimmer shades on if I want to darken up the outer V at all, but I don't foresee that. Let me see. I'm going to go in with just, what is this one? This is a Sigma one I just got. This is the smudger brush from Sigma. How little baby cute is that? And I'm going to go in with that dark brown shade and just put a little bit right along that lash line on the outer part of the lower lash line. All right, let's see what shimmer shades. You know what? Let's go ahead and swatch these shimmer shades. We've got Pearl and Gemstone, and then Diamond and Coin. I mean, these shimmer shades are really pretty, and I have to say, compared to the shimmer shades from the, oh my gosh, what palette was it? The Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors, I was not a fan of those shimmer shades. Actually, I kind of want to bring it out and use it. Now that I say that, I always like to keep trying shades in different ways to see if I can make them work. And then the last two, we've got our Crown and Ruby. Whoa, there's Ruby. I love a Ruby shade, but that is not the look that I'm going for today. So I'm probably going to end up, this one's really pretty too. That's Crown. Maybe I'll do like a mixture of Crown, Diamond, and Pearl in the inner corner. So when I do 3 shades that are of similar color across the lid, I like to start with the center one. Actually, in my Boxycharm Boxy Luxe box, I did that with the bluish shade. So I am going to start with Diamond, which was that center shade that I swatched. I'm just going to put this all along the center of the lid. So this color is going to take up most of the space. I think I'm going to have it go more towards the inner corner than the outer V. I mean, these are all just like really nice shimmer shades with like a foiled effect to it. I do feel like this palette costs more than other Dose of Colors palettes. Like this one, it was a $50 value, but I feel like that Friendcation palette was not $50. I think it was more in the 40s, but I think I got it on like a deal around the holidays last year. Now I am going to go in with Crown, which is this more like orangey brown shade. It's going to go right between the outer V and the lid. Just like giving it a little bit of a gradient, but this one is not meant to take up a lot of lid space. Just like one brush width on the eyelid, and this is just a Morphe 124. I think it's a concealer or detailer brush. I'm gonna go back in with just like the smallest amount of Diamond. You don't really need to take anything else on your brush, and just kind of blend these two into each other. And then Pearl is gonna be for the inner corner, and that is the lightest shade in the palette. Oh my gosh, that is like Fallout Mania on my face. What? So then I just start on the inner corner and then blend in. Gosh, we will see how this brushes off. Oh, I'm so nervous. It is all over my face. Whew. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna do is go in with that brush that I used the brown on, the outer V, and just blend where the shimmer hits it. So those are blended nice together and there's not a harsh line there. You know what? I think I am also gonna go in above the crease, and I'm going to take my little smudger brush from Sigma that I used on the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with Locket, which is this shade right here, and just define it a little bit. This is the perfect brush for that because it's so tiny. And then I am going to go back with my fluffy brush that I used and the color map and just blend. You know what? I think today I'm going to take a little bit of Pearl. And I'm not going to wet it, but I'm just going to put a little on the brow bone here. I think I'm going to leave it at that for the eye look. I am going to tightline, do a wing liner, and put on some mascara, and I'll be back to show you the look. All right, back with the final look, and I do love how it came out. This would be so pretty with like a red lipstick. I love a neutral eye and a red lipstick, but for today, this is what I'm going to be wearing. I used the Tristic mascara that we got last month, or did we get it? We got it in some box. And then for both the tight line and the lower lash line, I use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Stag. It's almost like a purpley black. It's hard to describe, but I thought it would I just used it. And I used the Ico wing liner. It's a felt tip, not my favorite. But that's what I've got on today. Okay, I'm not sure where this is going in my video, so there might be some choppy editing somewhere around here. I think we're gonna go back and hear about the pricing of the box. So total, this box is right around a $300 value. I paid $35 for it. This is what is so hard about Boxycharm. It is so hard to cancel one of your subscriptions because they really do have amazing products. I mean, I paid $35 for this. Granted, 2 of them are going in a giveaway, but I got this 2 ounce of moisturizer from Glow Recipe. I got this Bite Beauty Agave mask. I would definitely use that. And this really expensive eye cream. I mean, these are probably the only things that I would actually like purchase. I definitely don't need another highlighter, but I'm going to use that. You know, I don't really know that it is worth a $35 value for me now that I think about it. I mean, obviously these products are valued at more, but would I spend that much replacing them? I guess I would probably spend, yeah, maybe about $50 is what I would spend on these 3 products, full size, replacing them if I were using my Korean skincare line. So I guess it is worth it. Do I need another moisturizer right now? Absolutely not. It is just really hard to decide whether to cancel or not. I probably am going to cancel the Boxycharm Premium because I just don't need to be having that many influx of products. I've got my FabFitFun, I've got my Boxycharm base box, so I guess I really don't need it. I guess we'll find out in January what I decided to do. Oh, you know what? I think Choice is up today. Maybe I need to go make my choice for January and see what that is. I'm pretty sure that I'm getting that Pretty Vulgar concealer because they said it's like it's not a choice, but you could get one or the other. The Pretty Vulgar concealer, or what is the other item? The Glow Recipe Watermelon Mask. Or the Pretty Vulgar concealer was my complexion product last month that I was trying. So my guess is all of those people are going to get the concealer and everyone else will get the Glow Recipe product. And then like whenever they do the Becca foundation, everyone that had that one will get the Becca foundation and everyone else will get the other product. But if you had the Becca foundation, I would love to know if you got this month, because if what I'm thinking is right, the Becca foundation people would not have gotten this because they will get the watermelon mask next month. let me know. Okay, guys, that is going to wrap it up for this Boxycharm Premium box. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.